I give me a couple of minutes. Let Palkin join in. Um, Palkin. Okay. Hi. Thank you so much for joining in. Yes, I'll quickly have invite Palkin here. Um, Hello. Yeah, this is better. Much better. Palkin, can you hear me? Um, Hello. Uh, Palkin, can you? Am I audible? Okay, wonderful. So you mentioned about your journey, about how that you kind of got it. Sorry. Quickly, Akansha, is the buffering just from one video, or both the videos? I'm not able to figure that out. Yeah. Palkin, your voice is breaking, Palkin. Actually. Yeah. I mean, it's breaking. It's actually a lot breaking. Um, so I'll go on to my next question, Palkin. My next question is, see, normally people do not, like you said, you also started as somebody who doesn't really know what spirituality, or did not believe in spirituality. So my question to you then is, how does one realize, how does one come to a point where one realizes that this is spirituality, and am I spiritual or not? And what is spirituality? मतलब होती क्या है ये चीज? Yeah, audible. It's like you're freezing in between, Palkin. थोड़ा सा connection issue है थोड़ा सा. No, no worries. We are here. So, I mean, we'll be talking about spirituality, and see, spirituality is something which, when, so if people have questions here, if there is something more you want to know, and we also have someone here who has already heard you about from in spirituality. You've always talked a lot on, how to kind of strengthen the inner part of oneself. So if there are questions that people want to ask you, they're most welcome to kind of put it in the chat box. I hope we kind of are able to get uh, the network issue sorted very soon. Uh, Yes, I can. It's just that your video is buffering a lot. So it goes into the freeze mode. So, one of the suggestions is you can restart your phone. So we can take a break and we can actually come back for you to restart after you restart your phone. Would you like to do that? No, she's left. Yeah, so I think she's doing that. Meanwhile, so I mean, since it is something that technical issues का कुछ नहीं हो सकता, it is. Hi Harsh, we're talking about spirituality today. Spirituality एक ऐसी चीज है जो बहुत भारी वर्ड लगता है सुनने में. और इतना भारी होता है कि कई बार हम उससे वी डोंट रियलाइज हाउ how connected we are without and how affected. So there are two aspects of spirituality कि हमारे इमोशंस उससे कितना कनेक्टेड होते हैं, कितना अफेक्टेड होता है, हमें नहीं पता होता. और इसीलिए पल्किन रिधि नंदा व्यू रिक्वेस्ट. Okay, Riddhi Nanda is online. Waiting for Riddhi Nanda. Who is Riddhi Nanda? Taken you on board, Riddhi. Cool. So the idea is when we come to know, when we realize ki, and that is why Palkin's journey of spirituality was very strong for me, because she is not just moved from being an educator to a spiritual healer, and has touched life of about 3,000 people. She's actually moved on from a very glamorous, you know, profile of being a fashion designer to now becoming a. Uh, so Palkin is back. So I'm going to send her a request. So she's now come back, and that is where I think that was the best part of the itna from glam to so strongly resonating with one's own emotions and one's own spiritual side of oneself, which is वो सुनने में थोड़ा हेलो I wait. Now I can see you. Yes, yes, thank you. But it's still buffering. Okay, we can continue. So what I was asking you and what we were discussing was that what is spirituality? होती क्या है spirituality?
Basically, our own
Um, I think it's a network issue today itself. Sometimes things just don't work out the way you want them to work out, which is okay. I have a very interesting concept I want to share today. I learned today itself. It is not nothing to do with spirituality, but it is something to do with mood. I'm gonna tell you. Mood meter. So it is divided into thoughts and energies, and basically it is a meter of 4 quadrants. And what it does is kind of divides your mood into yellow, red, blue, and green. And on one side is energy meter, and on the other side is your pleasantness. So what happens is when you are on your energy and pleasantness, you're comparing both. So when you get up in the morning and you're like, I am in a very pleasant mode. I'm very happy today. I'm very, So it's like if you are high energy, high pleasant, you are ecstatic, you are elated. That's yellow. If you are low energy, no, if you're actually green is high on pleasantness but low on energy, which means you are relaxed, you don't really want to do anything big. Okay, I have the, so I'm just gonna see. Okay, wait. I'm gonna come back to the mood meter. It's a very interesting concept that I learned today, so I am gonna be very excited sharing this.
Okay, I hope now can you hear me and can you see me clearly?
Perfectly, perfectly. You just have to
Thank
kind of
God. Thank God.
perfectly wonderful. So what we'll do is see patience space. आपको थोड़ा कैमरा बस थोड़ा ऐसे रखना
Yes.
पड़ेगा. I can actually see. अभी आपका glasses अच्छे से दिख रहा है. Yes, beautiful face.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll come back to our question. So what we'll do is
Definitely.
we'll we'll um, we'll kind of ask you as to what is spirituality. Hi, Khushi, and
Yes.
she's saying that she just lost her job. This is so. Now, in spirituality, Palkin, and in just emotional managing herself, now what will you say to her?
See, first of all, make this sure that every emotion is temporary. What situation is there, that is temporary. It's not going to be permanent at all. This is not your permanent mode of life. Permanent mode of life is what you are going to decide. Whether you want to be in love. Now you just see an example of what happened here. Because of the network issue, like the plans which we made, that just got shifted. Plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D. So life is always like this. If you are a spiritual person, if you are a person who is into spirituality, you will always be contented on this, that you are not dependent upon one thing. You are not dependent upon only one process. You always have ABC ready for you, because if this thing is not working, you can shift on this, you can shift on this, and you can shift on this. A live example just happened in front of you. Never lose hope, because there is always something which can help you, and that is you yourself. Your energies, your motivation, self motivation, and self love is the key. So I always tell the people that when you are yourself trying to make evolve yourself every day, whether you are happy, whether you are sad, it's not like कुछ हमारी जिंदगी में बहुत बुरा हो रहा है. Okay, if you are 50 years plus, that doesn't matter at all. Plans should always be there. Plan तो एक दिन का भी ready होना चाहिए. Plan तो ये भी होना चाहिए कि like okay, we are going on a trip. What if आप वहां पर गए हैं, आपके पास बहुत हैप्पी प्लान्स होते हैं. What if something sad happens there? Are you emotionally ready for that? Because it's just about emotions. If you pinpoint yourself that oh, this is done, अब कुछ नहीं होगा, that means you are sending a message to your subconscious mind that no more plans will be activated now, and you start losing hope at that time. So this way the spirituality helps you, because a person who is in spirituality, that person doesn't need approval or any kind of a control from outside sources, because that person is sticked and very much grounded to the values without being arrogant or without being righteous. So I would just say that spirituality should be your new life hack, because that will, as young student says, oh, just be cool. So it's a new cool system. It makes your mind cool, it's make your temperament cool, it always keep you smooth and running and efficient, especially professionally and personally.
I completely, in fact, I think in that context itself, very nicely, I was listening to something which was having a purpose. I think spirituality gives purpose to life, because जब हमारे life में
Yes.
purpose होता है, तो हम automatically we are, and this is scientifically proven by studies. The behavioral scientists of University of Michigan have actually proven that when you are more
Yes,
purposeful,
yes.
then you automatically get into that mode of getting out of the bed better. You are, and in long run you earn more, because आपका purpose,
Yes,
and that is I think what spirituality is doing. That is what you're trying to say. Wonderful. So I think
exactly.
that is where my next question also is coming from, that there is so much pain, there is so much anxiety. तो अब ये जो जैसे अभी एक अभी किसी अभी शेयर हुआ है, खुशी ने शेयर किया कि इतनी एंजाइटी है, इतना पेन है, यहाँ पे स्पिरिचुअलिटी कैसे हेल्प कर रही है? तो यू शेयर कि भैया पर्पस होगा, आप कह रही है कि उसमें what more can you share here कि भैया इतने, and especially COVID pandemic, there's so much anxiety. People, you go to a mall, you go to a place, दुकानें बंद होती हैं.
So, see, I'm just going to make it a very simple and a very, understandable point, that when you are into spirituality, you filter your thoughts. किस थॉट की किस टाइम पे आपको जरूरत है, विदाउट गेटिंग प्री जज्ड और विदाउट प्रिजुडिस, जस्ट द ट्रुथ ऑफ लव. दैट मीन्स हम, being a human being, what we are thinking, that where is love, कहाँ प्यार है? हमारे लाइफ पार्टनर से हमें प्यार मिलना चाहिए, हमें हमारे बच्चों से प्यार मिलना चाहिए, तभी हम उनको प्यार दे रहे हैं. इज दैट लव? नो. स्पिरिचुअलिटी टीचेस यू दैट लव एग्जिस्ट एवरीवेयर, in the nature, in the clouds around you, in the happy environment around you, in the people. It's not just about why do nature give you fruits. आप farmers work कर रहे हैं, but why fruits are there? Why nature is serving humanity? Why is this that people are not returning back something to nature? Because humanity का एक source बन गया है, सिर्फ लेना, लेते रहो लेते रहो लेते रहो. एंड दैट्स वाई हम हर सिचुएशन में हर पर्सन के साथ ना प्री जज्ड हो जाते हैं. एक जजमेंट ऑलरेडी क्रिएट हो जाती है, वेदर इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल रिलेशनशिप विद द स्पाउस और विद द चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो. एंड देन इमोशंस हिट अस बैक, बिकॉज डेफिनेटली जब आपके इमोशंस आपको हिट करेंगे, एक्सपेक्टेशंस विल अराइज एंड फिल्ट्रेशन विल लाई डाउन समवेयर एल्स. इट इज जस्ट अबाउट कि मुझे चाहिए, जैसा मैं चाहती हूं या जैसा मैं चाहता हूं वैसा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. एंड दैट ब्लॉक क्रिएट्स, आपके इमोशंस को वहां फंसा देता है. एंड देन पेन अराइजेस. Yes, because we want to control those people and those situations which are actually not in control. What you can control is miserable situation में आपका reaction क्या होगा. How can you be the better yourself in that the most miserable situation? अगर हम सब यहाँ पर जितने भी लोग प्रेजेंट हैं, अगर हम सब ये सोचें कि हमारे साथ लाइफ में till this point, till this day, अभी around like what the time is 5:28 p.m. अब तक क्या क्या ऐसा सबसे बुरा क्या हुआ है? Did we broke in that situation? Did we rise like a new person in that situation? Or are
Right.
we just, shattered, drowned? What was that?
Correct.
Because
बिल्कुल
एक
सही.
स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन जो होगा, वो किसी मिजरेबल सिचुएशन में ये नहीं कि अब रोना है. उसमें एक नया एनर्जी लेवल डेवलप हो जाता है, एंड दैट पर्सन जस्ट अराइज and control self emotions, not other people, because there needed to be someone in the miseries to stand and support the humanity. It's all about humanity. And when a person in herself or himself is contented about their own energies and emotions, humanity is going to rise everywhere. It's not about religion, it's not about expectations.
That's a very powerful point when you made, and I think somebody already said great words. So I think you have won almost all the battles. You've won, in fact, not almost. You've won all the battles that you fought. तभी आप आज यहाँ तक आए हो. So that's something which
Yeah, actually.
can make you. That's very powerful. Somebody was asking Abhi ki how do we know what is our purpose? So how can spirituality help here? Knowing our
See,
purpose, ये
if
बहुत
yes, let's just I always keep my example in front of the people. When I was a fashion designer, I was a non-med student. First of all, when I opted for a fashion designing in the community from where I belong, it was said that क्या आपको दर्जी बनना है? मतलब it was really shocking for the people. But I wanted to be a fashion designer because I loved creativity. Still I am so much in love with creativity. So creativity is still my big passion. I create moods in such a way. I create meditations in such a way. I create paintings in such a way. At that time, when I was in fashion designing and I was at the peak, at the highest of my career, when I was working a lot. Okay, so one thing I realized that money which I was earning from that hard work was not satisfying me. There was something which was making me feeling empty. After completing the shopping list, after completing the bucket list, after doing everything for myself or my family members, there was something which was telling me that you are not doing complete wholesome use of your life. So when I entered into meditation and spirituality, till that time even I was not knowing that what my life purpose is. But something clicked in me that I have to work for humanity. And the more push was given to me by the purpose of and purpose was added to my life when there was something which happened, in 2000 when I was in 12th grade. I saw my mother committing a suicide in front of me. So that thing actually pushed me a lot, that why a person when in a severe depression commit this thing, that to lose the life, not to enjoy it, leaving behind the children, leaving behind the husband, leaving behind a family. And at that moment, there was a mute sign, and that pushed me that you have to serve the humanity. So life purpose is always around us. We need to see it. Because something which can complete your soul, which can complete or make you contented, definitely it's not money. Definitely it's not high positions. Definitely it's not fame. It's what you are providing to other people, how you are uplifting the humanity, that makes your life complete. Anyone can find the life purpose, but that would definitely be not your money, not your fame. How you overcome the fears in your life, because हम अपने life purpose को mostly cases what I have observed is even like I'm dealing with very small kids, or even I'm dealing with senior citizens, I have observed this thing, which is 95%, I must say, हमारा life purpose is equivalent to passion, and we suppress it by the most of the fears of the society कि लोग क्या बोलेंगे, that you are doing this, that जो ये फियर एंड ब्लॉकेज है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, हम अपने लाइफ पर्पस को कहीं, कहते हैं ना, अपनी जिंदगी के अधूरे पन्नों के नीचे ना दबाते जाते हैं. वी कीप ऑन टेकिंग डिफरेंट टास्क इन आवर लाइफ. हम ये कर लेते हैं तो हमें बेटर फील होगा, हम पार्टीज में चले जाते हैं तो शायद ये चीज हमें ना याद आए. A person who is going through the miseries, why you are going through the miseries? Because there is something hidden behind that misery which you need to empower yourself, and that experience is required by millions of people to be shared. You can help millions of people through your own experiences, through your own words, because everyone here needs a true support. Everyone wants to be evolved and wanted to be loved selflessly.
Correct.
लाइफ पार्टनर्स में लव हमेशा होता है, ठीक है, एंड मदर सबसे प्योरेस्ट लव बोलते हैं मदर और चाइल्ड का होता है. बट मदर नोज दिस थिंग, एक पॉइंट के बाद अ चाइल्ड हैज टू लीव हर, देन दैट मदर इवन एक्सेप्ट्स दैट. सो हर मदर से हमें ये चीज सीखनी चाहिए कि उसमें इतनी शक्ति कहाँ से आती है कि वो उसको फ्री करने के बाद भी खुश रहती है. आया है वो बच्चा कहाँ से? माँ से. माँ के खून से बना है वो बच्चा, माँ के इतने पेन सहने के बाद वो बच्चा इस दुनिया में आया है. तो डेफिनेटली शी हैज समथिंग टू गिव टू दिस ह्यूमैनिटी. एंड अगर वो चीज हमें समझ में आ जाए, सेल्फलेस लव, then humanity will not suffer any miseries. So this is my advice to the people who all are present here, that try to be just yourself.
And that will help also kind of help them find their purpose in life, because अगर आप वो ढके में नहीं रहेंगे, अपने आप को नहीं दबाएंगे, तो शायद मिलने में आसानी हो जाएगी. You very inspiring.
True.
And I think we'll take up this question also कि अक्सर लोग religion और spirituality में या तो confuse हो जाते हैं, या इन दोनों को एक जैसा समझते हैं, या फिर biased हो जाते हैं. मतलब there is also a certain amount of bias involved in it. तो आपका क्या कहना है कि भैया ये इसमें where does this feature कि मतलब क्या है दोनों का नाता, एंड इज इस दोनों है रिलेटेड है या अलग है?
See, religion is a set of community where the rules are bounded, where some conditions are bounded कि आपको कुछ प्रोसेस है वो ऐसे करना है, and this certain kind of a people can do it. So this is something religion. When we talk about spirituality is something like what I want from myself to explore my own energies to evolve my next better version is spirituality. For me, spirituality can be sitting into meditation and observing my own 7 chakras and healing them can be spirituality. For someone else, spirituality can be doing wonderful paintings. That can be spirituality, because a person can reach to a meditative state not just by sitting in one position. A person can reach to a meditative state even while dancing, while doing paintings, while listening to a music. But how to reach that peak level of energies, that is different for every person. A person sometimes is passionate about reading books, taking out experiences from different books and delivering them to the people. Some people are so much, wise in taking out the content from different persons' lives by talking to them as we are doing here, because that way we are connecting the super energies of one person to another 2, 3, 4, 10, 100%. So we are gaining and we are exchanging those energies with each other. That is also a kind of a spirituality, because we are exchanging energies through words, just through a talk, or by listening to each other. So spirituality is in wholesome a personal experience. I'll not say spirituality has some boundaries. Spirituality has some rules, but religion definitely has some rules. You cannot break those rules.
Very
It's like this.
very apt definition. I think it's just the kind of definition I was looking at. I was because एक organization structure होता है, और whereas
Yes.
spirituality, like you said, painting से, reading से, dancing से, it's amazingly put.
Spirituality is something how you give freedom to yourself.
Wow,
How
that's
you just feel contented by being free. हम इस दुनिया में हैं, हम बहुत सारे रिश्तों के अंदर हैं, हम उन रिश्तों के बहुत सारे नियमों को भी पालन करते हैं, फॉलो कर रहे हैं, बट हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू एंजॉय ऑल दोज रिलेशनशिप्स? दैट इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट. अगर हम इन रिलेशनशिप्स में इस दुनिया में आए हैं, क्या हम हर रिलेशनशिप को इक्विवेलेंट लव दे रहे हैं, इक्विवेलेंट रिस्पेक्ट दे रहे हैं? Because most of the times we are biased with this thing that this relation is higher, this relationship is lower. Why? Because हमें कहीं पर envy, jealousy या कुछ ऐसी bitterness आ जाती है that we start getting biased or diplomatic for that relationship. But spirituality actually tells you that how to hold on your emotions, because emotions are actually temporary as per the situation. Person is not wrong, but that person's perspective towards that situation can be wrong. If
and
for the
yeah,
time being we
even
ignore
that
that,
changes. Correct.
yes, if for that moment अगर हम उसको वहीं पर रोक दें and let that person be free in his or her own manner, then I must say अगर हर बंदा spiritual
I think window फिर से freeze हो गई है. Yeah.
can you hear me?
हाँ हाँ, I can actually. वो पीछे 2-3 सेकंड freeze हो गया था. I'm almost towards the end. So there's one more question I have, which was, see, you've been into education. You have a very strong creative side. You have a spiritual side, uh, and then so you've dealt with young people a lot. So my question to you is, and that's after which I will take up the question with Bits for You, from Bits for You, is what happens, how do you, for the youth for today, how do you create a mixture of creativity and fun and something that they're drawn towards? So, kahin na kahin already they have this understanding of what spirituality is, but then how would you kind of maximize their interest in spirituality, and what would your input be to the youth of today?
See, I just want to share that when we are talking about youth, they are the most curious, people of today's world. They have a lot of energy in them. They have lot of reasoning and questions with them. When we make them enter into spirituality, it's very important that at that point of time, first to clear their curiosities, that what this thing is about, how you are benefited from this. And if a youth, like generally I always tell to the youth to be into spirituality through music. I design special meditations for them so that they just get interested into the spiritual process and start learning. If Youth, like we all know that today's youth is the strongest pillar of tomorrow for our future. And if this youth learns about humanity, self-love, and expression of pure love, definitely we are going to have a very wonderful atmosphere on this earth. So it's it's all about like what the youth consider it. Are we feeding their curiosity? Are we clearing out their perspective towards spirituality? So that is really important. And my message to our youth have always been that what is that one thing which you want to feed yourself today?
Feed
So
yourself.
yes. What do you want to feed yourself today?
Very nice. Um, very nice. There's one other question from which is
Stand.
submit. Palkin, there is one question, and this is the last. I don't know whether there are questions. Okay, submitting you to Shiva, example Shiva to the full, that is driven by him is not spirituality for one. I think the question meaning is Shiva, or what if you find the person you love the most feels you as a burden? Uh,
See,
so, yeah.
definitely here again, when first let's take about the Shiva. Shiva in itself is the highest form of energy, which in spirituality I call it as the infinite energy. When we surrender ourselves, because spirituality are of two kinds. One, we surrender to ourselves because we take ourselves as the best version of our own. Another spirituality is when we surrender ourselves to the supreme energies. It can be for someone Shiva, it can be for someone Goddess Kali, it can be for someone Ganesha, Sai Baba, or जिस भी deity को आप मानते हो. So these two process make you feel the highest form of energies, and surrendering to some biggest energy make you, because स्पिरिचुअलिटी में एक चीज होती है कि हमारी वाइब्रेशन लेवल को इंक्रीज करना. If we want to evolve ourselves, we have to increase our vibration and we have to vibrate on a higher frequency every day. Then only we can have a positive level of attitude and ability to think every day. So या तो आप अपने आप को ऐसी एनर्जी के आगे सरेंडर कर दो जो आपसे भी हायर है. Or another thing, you be the best version of yourself by making yourself vibrate higher through meditations or various work. So this is the one thing. ये थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल हो जाता है. Reason being because इसमें टेक्निक्स डेफिनेटली इन्वॉल्व हैं. स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज नॉट ओनली वन पाथ. स्पिरिचुअलिटी में बहुत सारे पाथ होते हैं. विच पाथ सूट्स यू, विच पाथ attracts you the most, you should follow that.
And the next question and this is the final after which we'll close. What if you find a person you love, and I think, but then they feel you as a burden?
So definitely when the person you love the most, that means, again, as I told you earlier, that loving someone is always not conditional. हम किसी से प्यार करते हैं तो हम एक कंडीशंस के ऊपर नहीं लव कर सकते. अगर हम करते हैं that means that is not love. If I say, Nupur, I love you, but you should do all these things, only then I'm going to love you. अगर आप ये नहीं करोगे, अगर आप आज अच्छे नहीं दिख रहे हो, अगर आज आपने अच्छा ड्रेस नहीं पहना, अगर आपने अच्छा कॉफी नहीं बनाया, अगर आपने अच्छा खाना नहीं बनाया, तो I'm not going to love you, because that is not love. That is a conditional affair. And
even
most of the
love back is a condition, I guess.
Yes, even mother will never ask a child to love her back, because she is continuously giving her child, unconditional love. giving her the teachings, the preachings which she herself know the best, which she has experienced, because she want to create another human being who is best, in the life, so that उस person की life skills अच्छी हों. There
Correct.
is a motive and there is a target behind that love. But when we are generally moving around, when we are interacting with as a couple or as a soulmate or as a human being to each other, and you are taking another person as a burden, or you are taking that person who loves me is taking me as a burden. So definitely there are some emotional blockages which is making you feel so. It's your perspective. It can be that your empathy is not serving that person a lot. So it's very important when you are in love with someone, be unconditional, unexpectational, so that you can enjoy and let every relationship be the free relationship, not a bounded relationship.
On that thought of not having any expectations, which is, even though it's a very powerful, it's a very difficult thing, I think spirituality will help a lot there. Because किसी से ये expectation ना करना कि आप उससे प्यार करें और वो आपसे प्यार ना करे, is I think हमारे तो फिल्मी प्लॉट ही सारे खत्म हो जाएंगे. But
But
I think
actual life is this.
very
Actual life
difficult.
is this. Yes.
And but then you're right, and I think it takes a very spiritually strong person, because it's all about self love first, and that is what you've shared with us कि अगर हम अपने आप से प्यार करते हैं तो हमें ना किसी के वैलिडेशन की जरूरत होती है, ना हमें किसी और के प्यार की जरूरत होती है, because we are happy in our in our soul, and then we kind of get on from there. We don't wait for others to love us. Beautiful feeling actually, and thank you so much. I think initial hiccups के बाद और वो उसके बाद भी we had a very wonderful session, and thank you so much Palkin for joining
Thank you,
us.
Nupur, for inviting. Thank you,
And
Nupur. Thank you all the
also the
people for
remote
joining.
exchange, people were asking questions and you have been able to answer them as well. So it was wonderful having you on board. I will share this. It will be on my YouTube also. And just to kind of apprise everyone, I'm having my first youth session, youth ke liye self awareness session on Tuesday. So please join in. I will share the
All the
details
best.
again. Thank you so much, Balkin. And we'll come up with again another guest coming Friday. So thank you so much for joining in. Kudos. Bye. Have a great evening, and we'll
Great
be
evening to everyone.
all right. Bye bye. Ciao.
Bye.
Bye.